worry. Daddy will soon join us.
But you're not happy. It's because Daddy scolded you last night.
Sarah, you talk too much. Eat your food.
But you're not happy.
Who told you I'm not happy? Eat your food.
I'm off.
Baby, won't you at least have something to eat?
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? Did you eat in your dreams?
I don't have time for your stupid question.
Oh, okay, please, can you at least help me drop Zara in school?
When are you coming? Okay. I'll meet you up, eh? Yeah, the normal room. Okay. Bye. Okay.
I just came out to prepare food for him.
Okay, so how far now?
My sister, everything is going as planned.
Wow, that's my baby girl.
Come in, let me go prepare the food. I'll see you later.
Alright then. Take care.
Feeling since morning, no shelter, no cold water, sun everywhere.
Oh, don't worry, you have me here now. I missed you. Missed you. You know what you're going to do for me now? You go in there, take your shower, and come out, I'll give you a treat.
You see, that's why I can't stop loving you.
I need to. Guess what? Guess.
I'm not good at guessing.
Baby, just guess.
Talk to me, what is it?
Okay, since you can't guess, I brought something for you. Your favorite.
For you?
Oh, that's the food I got for you now. Just take a shower.
No, stop!
Let me see the food now.
No, I insist. You have to take your bath first.
Okay. Let me
Okay. Oh. Baby, the food is ready.
Basically, food is already. That's my girl. That's my girl.
Enjoy. Baby. Are you enjoying it?
A statement.
Let me turn my water for you. And so, baby, what about what discussed? You know now, what we talked about.
See, baby, I've told you to be patient about these things. Don't to rush it. Okay?
But at least have you told her?
Can I at least finish my food?
Okay. Sorry. Enjoy your meal.
Have it tasty. Oh God! Why?
Have you told her?
Jane, you think it's easy telling a woman you once loved, a woman that has done a lot for you, that you want a divorce? You think it's just like that?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I told you to allow things to work out naturally. By the time I became hostile to her and make life unbearable for her, she will be the one asking. You'll be coming to the location?
Coming to the location to do what?
To see me, of course. Is there anything wrong in coming to the location to see your guy?
Ibezim, how many times have your wife come to the location to see you?
She used to come. Always.
So if I come to your location to see you, Who are you going to tell your crew members that I am? Your girlfriend?
See, Jane, I only asked you a question. Don't start this morning.
Wait. You only asked a question. See, I am sick and tired of this your hide and seek game. For Christ's sake, what do you take me for? Ibezim, say, just look at me very well. I have this quality you can never ever find in any other woman. So why play me your mistress? This will be the last time I will come to see you in a hotel room. Do you understand me? If you want the real thing, you know where to find me.
It has not gotten to this.
Ibezim, it has gotten to everything. Come on! You get that thing in your house and you call her your wife. Then me, your mistress. Check it out. It's odd.
Okay. See, once I'm through with the film and shooting and get home, I'm going to tell her about the divorce.
You promise?
Yes, promise. Cross my heart.
You serious?
Do you know he has not called to check up on me or called to find out how our daughter is faring?
This is an abomination.
The times I tried to call, he didn't pick my calls.
This has gotten to the height of it, and something needs to be done fast.
What will I do now? What will I do?
Maybe I should talk to him. And call him to order.
No. No. That's not an option. My husband does not like anybody involving in our affair. He will just conclude that I have been tail-bearing with his name. No, that's not an option.
Sometimes men need to be called to order, especially by a third party. Either a friend to the marriage or a parent to the man.
Since we started this union, one thing I have learnt is that my husband does not like a third party involved in our affair. He hates it with so much passion.
So, are we going to keep watching him like this? He can't continue misbehaving. He has a home, a wife and a daughter, and he should be responsible.
I have resorted to prayers. God is my only option now. So 4 times 4?
16.
16, good. So 5 times 5?
Equals to 20.
No.
25.
Good. So you write it down here. Clap for yourself. Good. Next one is 7 times 7. I think that is back.
Yes, that is there.
Okay, let's go back on that.
I'm sick and tired of this marriage. I need a divorce.
What did you just say? Baby, is this you actually talking? Or is this something, a demon talking through you?
If there is any demon in this house, that should be you.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
Mom, where is Dad? He's not eating with us again.
Of course he will. I'll go and call him, okay? Baby. Baby, your food is ready.
I don't want to eat your food anymore. Eat your food with your daughter.
Baby, are you serious with what you said?
Yes. That is what I want. Divorce. Give it to me.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Mom, where is he's not coming.
No, darling. Daddy is very tired. He's been working for 2 weeks now and he needs to rest. Okay?
But will you join us tomorrow?
Of course he will. Come on, eat your food.
I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
You're disturbing me with this, your cry. If you want to cry, you go to the living room.
What did I do wrong?
Hello. Yeah, baby. Yeah, guess what? I've told her. Yeah, trust me now. Yeah, I'm about to enter my car and I'm driving to Enugu. Yeah, I just want to take some days off. She has been a stress on my head. Okay, just wait for me at the usual hotel. In less than 3 hours, I should be in Enugu. Okay? Yeah. Okay, baby. I love you too. Okay. Yeah, bye.
How can one wake up one morning and start asking for a divorce? No. This is not ordinary. And we cannot sit and fold our arms while the devil ruin your marriage.
Why me? Why me? What have I done wrong? What have I done to deserve all this? What? I have devoted everything to this union. I have given it my life, my money, my blood, everything. Why is this happening to me? Why?
I know it's very painful, but crying will not solve this problem. This is a spiritual battle, and we have to fight it spiritually. Please.
Have I not been praying? Have I not been praying? I have been praying. I have been praying.
Don't worry. We need to seek a higher spiritual authority. The devil is a liar. The devil cannot win over this case. Please. Wait, do you know my man called me this morning?
Yes? Has he told her?
Of course. He told his wife about the divorce.
Wow. That's my babe. Give me five, give me five, give me five. I trust him now. I'm not a carry last.
Of course. Babe, see, the last time I spent with him, it was very hot for him. He didn't even know when he started promising. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that once I get back. And trust me, he kept to his promises.
Oh, I like that. The next thing for you to do now, babe,
follow up. Babe, follow up, oh. Don't relax. Don't give a breathing space at all. See, it does not just end in telling her alone. But he has to do it very, very fast, yeah? Abby?
Yes, sir.
See, babe, don't worry about that. You know why? He's on his way to Enugu. And trust me, this whole thing is not going to take up to a month for me to be officially called Mrs. Ibezi. Wow, that's my baby girl. I'm so excited. Oh God, I trust you now. Let me get something. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
You see, people actually came with the mighty reputation. Of his joy and happiness. Really, it's devilish. But thank God you're here. What you have to do now is to endeavor to bring up the office. Prayers and answers.
But Pastor, is there no way you can go ahead with these prayers without having to bring him here?
It's actually not about prayers. There are some things I need to do. Some mysteries around him that will open his eyes to things he didn't know before the prayers.
Pastor, I understand. But having to convince my husband to come here with me, that's going to be a big problem.
My dear, don't worry. I will talk to him. I believe he will give me a listening ear. Pastor, please, he will come and see you any moment from now.
That would be great.
Thank you so much, Pastor. Thank you. How are you going to go about telling him this? Huh? I don't want him seeing it as if I've gone around town telling people about our marital affair.
Don't worry. I know exactly how to tell him.
Please, I don't want any trouble. I'm tired. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, everything about her pisses me off. Even staying in that house is just like staying in the hell. I'm tired of everything.
That is because you've seen an angel.
No other angel like you.
That's the more reason why you should hasten up with this divorce thing. I mean, so you can have me to yourself. So first thing first, you have to bring in a lawyer. Let's do this thing swiftly. Who says we can't have our wedding in a month's time?
No. No. I can't divorce my wife and marry you in a month's time. It looks suspicious.
Do I care? Does it look like I care? I don't care what anyone thinks. What is important to me now is my joy and my happiness. I really don't care about people's opinion. I can do this now. I can do this.
Are you sure you're going to wait for him to
Stop crying. You have to be strong. If not for anything, for your daughter. She can't see you in this condition, else you will destabilize her mentally. Hmm? It's okay. Stop crying. I heard you. Thank you. Once in every man's life, there comes a challenge. Challenges can come from any angle, in any form, but you have to be brave enough to overcome it. It came to pass, but not to stay. It will surely come to pass, and you will have back your happy home. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's okay. Hmm? Promise me you won't cry when I go.
No, I won't.
Please don't.
Hmm? Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
It's okay.
Let me see you off.
So, what should I go with for you?
Anything you can think of, okay? As long as it's coming from you, I will eat it.
So when are you returning back to your base?
I'm not going back today.
Why? You mean you're not filming and you're here spending money in hotel?
I'm spending the money paying the bills to be with you.
Basically, I think the right thing to do is for you to get home. Hasten up with this divorce and make me your wife. Bring me into your house. Not spending money here.
Okay. I will be going tomorrow.
Okay, let me go get something for you. I'll be back shortly.
Okay. Don't keep me waiting.
You mean he has not called you to tell you he's not about?
That's not all.
Where can he be now?
Only God knows.
What about Zara?
She has gone to school. She kept asking about her dad. I don't even know what to tell her anymore.
The devil is a liar. This marriage will not crash.
Amen.
Let me call him with my phone.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Madam Gold.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How is your family?
We are fine. And you? How is work going over there?
Work is fine, but I'm done with work.
Doesn't mean you are in town?
Not really. I'm still in Enugu trying to do one or two things.
Oh. There is something I want to discuss with you.
What is it?
You know my pastor, my mentor, Pastor Phillips.
What's about him?
He called me on the phone and told me he had a revelation about my friend, whose husband is a movie director. And I only have one friend whose husband is a movie director.
And what's the revelation about me?
He would like to see you one-on-one.
Listen, Madam Gold. I don't know the business you have with the pastor. But tell him that the tricks would not work on me. You should try the next person, okay? I'm not ready to drop 1 naira, my 1 naira for him. Do you hear me?
You surprise me. You don't know my pastor, Pastor Phillips. How much do you think you have to give to him? My pastor does not need your money. He does not need your money, Mr. Ibesin.
I don't need his prayers either. Have a nice day.
Mr. Hello?
I told you. I know him very well. He doesn't want to use his ear to hear anything called pastor. I know him.
We will find a way to take him to my pastor. If it fails, then I will make an arrangement for my pastor to come here and see him.
I think that would be better.
Marriage is not a do-or-die affair. I am no longer interested. So let us go our separate ways.
You cannot just wake up one morning and spring up a divorce. I am human. I have blood going through my veins. I know how much that I have invested to make you the big director that is now making your head puff. I know how much I have invested in this marriage. So I am not going to take any bullshit from you.
Okay. I wanted to check everything you think you've invested in this marriage. I am going to double it for you. In addition to that, the normal divorce procedure must be kept. My landed properties, the cash in the bank, I am going to divide into 2 and you're going to go with 1. I promise. I am going to take care of Zara's feeding and education till she gets through from school. Yes, but as for this marriage, it's no longer working.
On that fateful day on the altar, we vowed for better, for worse. Till death do us part. So my darling husband, there is no way that I am going to.
You want me to kill you in this house, right?
Story.
That is what you want. Okay. Watch me do that. Since you don't want to live in peace.
So 2 into 4 versus 2. It's 2 here. That's good. So you divide 2 by 2 to give you what? 1. And what over here? And 2 into 2. 1 and 1 here. So you now multiply this by 2. So 2 times 2 will now give you.
Who removed my charger from where I kept it?
Baby, I'm sorry. My phone went off and my charger is bad, so I just decided to just charge my phone a bit. I'm sorry.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from my things, my belongings, and everything around me? How many times have I warned you?
Baby, I'm sorry. But
how many times have I warned you? Are you mad?
you slapped me.
If you don't return that charger where you took it from, I will slap you again.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
afternoon. Zara, have you greeted Daddy?
Me alone.
Come on, say good afternoon to the Daddy.
Me alone.
Honey, why are you eating bread and soft drink? We already have your food on the dining.
You're very stupid by asking me that question. Very stupid.
I'm sorry.
You should be sorry for yourself.
What on earth can we call this kind? Dear, I don't know. I just can't tell. Do you know that he doesn't eat my food in this house? Yes. He doesn't talk to me. He doesn't play with me, not even with our daughter. He's always looking for every little thing to nag at me. This is serious. My dear, last night, he raised his hands on me. But did he actually beat you? He almost did. If not for the timely intervention of our daughter, who screamed immediately he raised his hands to beat me up. What can make a man to misbehave like this? If not that he has started seeing another woman. Hey, exactly what I was thinking. No, you have to take it easy on him. The best weapon for a woman in marriage is patience. You just have to tolerate him. Okay? Still perform your wifely duties. We will get to the root of everything. Amen. Praise God.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again.
What is it?
We need to talk.
Oh, I'm listening.
I have given your proposal a second thought. Since your mind is no longer here,
I'll be starting a new job in Enugu tomorrow. When I finish and come back home, we will go and meet our lawyer for the divorce papers.
I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance.
I have something to tell you.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
I can't wait for this shoot to be over. I want a divorce now.
The shoot will take just 2 weeks.
2 weeks is such a long time. And I cannot take that risk. I think we should just go see the lawyer this morning.
As you can see, I am busy and I will be busy for 2 weeks. So the divorce has to...
And I said I cannot wait. I can't wait.
Was I not the one that brought up the issue of this divorce? So I will be the one to say it when it will be done.
Hey, we are not in any competition, no. Whether you're the one who brought it out first or I'm the one, we are not in competition. All I know is that I can't wait anymore. I cannot wait.
You're distracting me. I am studying my script for the next job. Please, you're distracting me.
Script or no script, you're looking for my trouble. I said I cannot wait. Is it by force? You want a divorce and I want a divorce. Let's end it. The world can hear me, oh. This house will not contain us. I want a divorce now, oh. Shoot, God, shoot me.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again.
Why did you keep food on the table?
What kind of stupid question is that?
I see. Let me look for something to eat.
Like I care. Meanwhile, I'm just coming from the lawyer's place. He said he has prepared the divorce papers. So I signed my column. Whenever you are ready, Mr. Oga, go and sign yours so that we can get all this over with.
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what
you sure this is what you want? My mind is made up. I've had enough. Let him just go. I can't keep begging for love.
So, did he finally agree to leave the house for you?
Does he have an option?
Well, if you're strong enough to take this divorce, if you are sure you're strong enough to take this divorce, well, suit yourself.
My dear, my mind is already made up. I have taken enough humiliation from him. By God's grace, my daughter and I will be fine.
So, you have it.
Thank you. So what are we toasting from?
The love everlasting. Joy, peace, happiness. Cheers, cheers, come on, come on.
Cheers, my love. This is nice.
Yeah.
Barman! Please come. I need a bottle of beer. Rather, bottles of beer.
Jane, are you still going to take beer after taking red wine?
Hey, Zane. This wine is just for toast. The real thing is in beer. I mean, I'm happy. We're celebrating. Have you forgotten? Barman, where are you?
So, baby, just take a sip, okay? Just a sip.
No. I don't drink alcohol.
Just a sip. I didn't say you should finish it.
And I said no.
Why?
Okay. Because I don't want to be a drunk wife and a mother. Yes. I don't want to just come home one day and I'm acting all drunk. Before you know, I'm scratching the house. I'm doing all sorts that I'll probably later regret. Yes.
Okay, I understand. But just a sip. Come on. You like it, okay? Just a sip. This is just, yeah, good.
And I said no. Water. Or not. Any other drink. Baby, no! You can't force me. No. Nope.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a
What should I bring for you? Why come in the evening?
Don't bother. We'll be shooting all night today, and I'll be coming back tomorrow morning.
All night shoot, that means it's going to be stressful.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. That means you want me to come back tomorrow.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so.
Just use nonsense now. If you're gone now. Pick your call.
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me.
Eat your food.
Is it Dad?
Zara, eat your food. You talk a lot these days. How many times would I warn you about eating and talking?
I've been calling you since, and you're not picking my calls.
I have picked now. Can you just say whatever you have to say?
So you saw my call last night, and you couldn't call me back.
Please, if you know you don't have anything else to say, I'm very busy. I don't have time to listen to this nonsense.
So I'm not talking nonsense, huh? So it's nonsense that I'm talking.
I can see that you have nothing better to say.
I'm begging I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Didn't you see me? Am I not talking to you?
Please. I don't want any man to kill me in this marriage. Okay? I want to leave this marriage peacefully. So please, don't just start. Don't start.
Who's killing you? Yeah?
Please. When are we going to sign the papers? The only thing I want to hear from you right now is when we are signing the papers for the divorce.
Oh.
Is that why you're behaving this way? I see. I see.
Oh my God, you're so funny. I know, right? No, continue with what you were saying. I'm enjoying every bit. Yes.
Who's that guy?
Which guy?
Who is that guy that you've been answering his calls? The same reason you accepted the divorce. The same reason why you don't pick my calls. The same reason you don't care about me anymore.
What are you talking about?
Who has been taking my place?
What are you doing, Jerry? Leave me alone! Go away!
Get up!
Leave me alone! I'm not going anywhere! Leave me! What are we doing here?
This is where our journey into the world of two together started. Where I proposed to you and you accepted my proposal. Where our love started. I brought you here so we start all over again.
I don't understand what you're saying. Anyways, I have signed the divorce papers and I think you should go do the same.
I am not divorcing you anymore. I am renewing my vow to you. I will never allow any other woman to come between us. You are a jewel and a high ornament. I promise we will never raise voice at each other anymore. You're mine. Mine forever.
I was a fool who never knew what he had.
I don't understand what is going on anymore.
Okay,
Can you imagine if I call him, he doesn't take my call and he doesn't return the call?
Don't try again. But
How could you be so drunk? To the extent you were vomiting in his hotel room. What was at the height of it, Jane?
How am I supposed to know I will get drunk? I was only excited. I didn't drink to get drunk.
It's okay, don't cry again. Don't cry again. But you know, no man with his right senses would want to marry a drunk for a wife. You know that.
I'm not a drunk now. I'm not a drunk.
I know. I know you're not a drunk. It's okay, stop crying. Stop crying. Maybe you should just dial his number on my phone. Maybe we'll pick. Just dial his number. Maybe we'll pick.
Hello? Yeah. You're still busy on the line. How may I help you?
Hello, baby. Please, baby, I'm so sorry. Whatsoever I've done, please forgive me. Please.
Hey, listen, you bitch. I have gone to stay with my wife. Do you hear me? You wouldn't have been compared to her at all. Listen, it's over between us. It's over. I have gone to be with my lovely wife. So, stay clear. And don't you ever call this line again.
What did he say?
He dropped call on me.
Drop the call. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
Oh no!
It's okay.
I'm everything. I'm everything on the job.
It's okay. Don't cry.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you please. I've learned my lesson, I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool.
Hey.
I didn't want to say anything while you were on the phone.
but we need to talk.
Okay. What are we talking about?
I'm not going back on my decision. I want a divorce.
See, baby, why are you so angry with this guy? That you want to lose your marriage? Leave him. He's distracting you. Let us start from where we stopped and build our home.
Heaven knows that there is no other man in my life other than you.
Then why are you insisting on the divorce?
Why would you want to end this union? Just because of one stupid girl out there? Why? After all the sacrifice that I made for you. After everything that I have been through because of you. You just threw everything out the window. You just forgot about everything because of one girl.
See, baby, I said I am sorry. That was in the past. It won't happen again.
How am I sure that won't happen again? How am I sure that one girl from somewhere will not just spring up and start deceiving you again? How?
Baby, it won't happen again. I am sorry, my love. I am sorry. Please.
I don't trust you anymore. You have lost every single trust that I had in you. I can't live here with you. I have lost the trust that I had in you as a husband. I can't live in insecurity. This marriage is over.
See me on my knees, darling, I'm begging you, please. I've learned my lesson. I'll never do it
What is this?
again. I'm sorry I cheated you.
What am I going to do?
I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had.
Where do I go from here?
I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me.
So you went to bring your solicitor to solicit for you. You and your solicitor have failed.
One more. Why am I there? You cannot even greet your mom that you have not seen for very months now.
Mama, I'm sorry. Please, don't mind me.
I'm minding you. I'm minding you. You want to crucify him? Because I even seem so little in your eyes. Only.
No, Mama. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
At the point in time, everybody deserves forgiveness. And I will not even forgive you. Okay? Because you did not do what? You did not greet me when I came. Because my manner is Nemo. Wow, Dikeh. Why was Nemo is one.
Welcome, Mama. Let me take your bag inside and so that I can prepare something for you to eat.
Hurry up.
Welcome, Mama.
you know what I went through in this house, if you know what this man here put me through, because of one stupid girl out there, hey Mama, do you know that he even slapped me
because you know mom, Only stop crying. Eh? I understand. At least his senses has come back now. Only because all men are the same. At least let's thank God that his senses are back now. Only.
Mama, how am I sure that he will not do it again?
I am sure it will not happen. One big name. Oh, it will not happen. At least look at the consequences of his first action.
Mama, I say I don't want. I don't want this marriage again. I am tired. I'm sick and tired. Is it my boss? I don't want.
Maybe it's that you want. Only because I'm begging you. Oh, please. Only. Good afternoon.
I'm so sorry. There was traffic on the road. But I'm here now. Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm good. Angie?
You're welcome.
Okay. If you like, you can go and bring everybody, the whole world here. I have made up my mind. I am not interested anymore. Mama, please, can I take her out for some minutes?
You are free, my dear. You are free, please.
This is your wife. I hope you've learned your lesson from me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you. My love. I'm so sorry. Please, my love.
I'm begging you, please. I've learned my lesson. I'll never do it again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so.
I want to say thank you for the vital role that you played in saving my marriage. God bless you. May the name of the Lord be praised. Always. You know, you just saved history from repeating itself. How do you mean? My first marriage. Were you married before? I never knew you were married before. Well, now you know that going in and out of marriage is a bad stigma. Yeah, I know. Thank God we finally succeeded. Yes, thank God. And thank you very much. It's okay. What happens for? Okay. Just take very good care of yourself, your daughter, your husband. I will. I will.
sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I love you so, baby, don't go. Give me another chance. Just let me love you again. Let me love you again. I'm sorry I treated you bad. I'm so sorry, baby. I was a fool who never knew what he had. I never knew. I love you so,